Hi, I'm Mary Jane from Beaverton U-Haul. We're gonna put a hitch here on a Ford F-150. Let's get started.
You will need the tools seen here to complete this installation.
So today we'll be using a U-Haul exclusive hitch jack to lift this into place. If you do not have one of these, I would get an extra set of hands because these are really heavy. So now that I got the hitch in place, we're gonna put the provided hardware from the hitch manufacturer through the holes on the manufacturer from the vehicle. I'm gonna start over here. Put it through. And put the carriage bolt in the block on the end of that, and we'll pull it through the frame so it seats on the hitch. So again, I'm gonna fish wire through this other hole up to that access hole here. And put the carriage bolt in the wall. So now that I got those in place, I'm going to take these fish wires off. And we'll put a lock nut here over that. And we'll put this nut over the top to make sure it doesn't fall back through. We'll do that on the same one, it's just below it. Lock nut. The nut on there. So for this rearmost hole, I'm just going to take the carriage bolt and the block, and you can feed it through the back side. You do not need a fish wire for that. So we'll just fit them like that. And then you put that lock washer and that nut over the top of that. And that is it for that. So it's for the passenger side. So next I'm going to move to the driver's side, and it's the same exact thing as the passenger side. You just feed that fish wire through that access hole and put your hardware on. take those fish wires off. So I'm on the last hole here. I'm just gonna feed it up through the backside. You can use the fish wire if you want, but it's pretty easy to put in the back. It's open. We'll put that lock washer on there with that nut. We'll tighten these down, hand tighten. And that's it. We just have to torque them down. So now that we got our hitch in place and our hardware in place, we're going to torque the bolts down to 75 foot-pounds. Okay, now we're going to go over to the passenger side and torque those. Alright, so now that we got those torqued down, some of the features on here are nice clearance of the bumper here. There's a 2-inch receiver with a nice collar on it. Safety chain hooks. Thank you for watching our video. Stay safe and enjoy the outdoors.
To learn more about the products seen in this video, or to schedule an installation by U-Haul Hitch Professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.